I have had this Ortur Laser Master 2 Pro for 2.5 years, and it has added so much income to my business. I've had a lot of laser engraving companies reach out to me that I've never heard of before, wanting to send me a free tool and show it to you and give you a discount code, but it's companies that I have no experience with. That being said, I reached out to Ortur and I said, hey, I've had your product for 2.5 years. I have absolutely abused it. I've left it out in the weather. We've kicked it, we've dropped it. We've done all manner of unspeakable things to it, and it still works. And so I said, Ortur, would you be willing to work with me? And they said, yeah, boy. And so they sent me this engraver, which I'm going to put together and show you. They're also giving me a discount code, which will be linked in the description, and it will be on my website. Now, I know this is a good product because I've had one for 2.5 years. This is just a newer version. And that's why I have no qualms about showing you this tool, because I know this company makes a good product. That being said, let's put it together. ASMR style. Oh, new tool smell. Love it. All right, so this is what you get in the box. The engraver. What were you expecting? So it comes with, this is cute, instructions. Ah, dang it. All the way to the back. Ching, 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 ching. So that is everything that it came with, and it was very well packaged. We have the basic skeleton of the engraver, power cord, safety glasses. This is a hose for the fan. This is the laser. This is the, and this is also the, okay, so focal gauge, airflow regulator. Well, yeah, it makes sense that they would put that on the instructions. Okay, let's get to putting it together. That's going to be it for this video. These are just a few quick ideas of what you could do with an engraver. I will be putting out more videos of other things you could do that I've done in the past. I'm going to be doing some shop projects where we cut out some stuff and make shop furniture, things like that. But this is just a quick idea. That was literally a photo I took on my phone. It was able to put it in the Lightburn software and put it on a piece of cardboard. You could use this to engrave your shipping boxes. If you're shipping something, make a unique box. You could use it to engrave a client's logo on it. They love that to give gifts to their clientele, or just a gift for a friend. So I was super impressed with the way this thing operated. It was very quiet, especially compared to my other one that has been abused a lot. It ran very, very smooth. It was very quiet. It's really just a plug and play, get started going. One thing I will point out, the ground wire here goes on the screw above the laser module. That step was not in the instructions. There's a picture of it. It's kind of rough. The only reason I was able to figure it out is because of my last model I had that step in the instructions. So the ground wire for the top of the laser module, you unscrew this screw at the back corner, put this under the screw between this plate and the screw, and that's your ground connection. Other than that, the instructions are very, very clear. Now, about this engraver, it has about a 15 3/4 inch by 15 3/4 inch work surface, or 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters. It operates at a 15,000 millimeter per minute speed, which is pretty freaking good. Overall, I'm very impressed with this engraver. If you've been thinking about getting an engraver, it opens a lot of doors for your business, whatever business you may be in. With woodworking, it opens a lot of doors for people wanting client gifts. And it's really, really just bound by your imagination what you could do to use this to improve your business. It increased a lot of sales for me personally, so I know it will do the same for you. So thank you, Ortur, for making, one, such a quality tool. I'm really looking forward to using this one. It's been a blast so far. And two, thank you for sending me this to do a video on it. I really appreciate the opportunity to review it, and I'm looking forward to making many more videos of it in the future. If you like the content, like and subscribe. Go to my website. I have free plans you could use. I will be uploading some free laser burning designs. I'll figure out how that works, but for now, go check out my website, burnstockdesign.com. Click the link below if you're interested in ordering this tool. There's a discount code in the description, or right here, or on my website. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one.